Assalamu alaikum, pretty all listener. Welcome to my another English practice video. This is Mohammad Frant Ali. Today I am gonna to hello now without particular topic. Can I speak in English or I cannot speak in English? Let's go to discuss. Actually, at this moment I am stay here my village land. After also time I came here my land because I cannot but make the video. It's make habit. So when as after also time come, my body and my brain automatic support my body, and my brain give permission my body. That time my body call me, you have to make video, and I came and I try to make the video. That's why at this moment I am making the video without hesitation, because I feel enjoy when I make video. Actually, when I first time start my this journey, that time it wasn't easy. I faced many problems, but I didn't give up. All time pray Allah, and I try to practice every day. At this moment, I'm able to speak in English without hesitation. So actually today I thought I want to go to field, but today I came here. I have one purpose. Yesterday my blessed one uncle who said, tomorrow I will give the water in my field. Would you like to give the water in your field? Yesterday I said, of course, I will give the water in my field. That's why I came here visiting purpose. Who has given the water this field or didn't give the water? Also I have visited this field. I saw who has given the water his field. Inshallah, tomorrow I will give the water in my corn field. After 3 days later, I will harvest my corn. That's why this is rules. Before harvest the corn, our farmer, we have to give the water this corn field. So this is rules. So that's why I came here today. I have come my field. And another thing, one field, all person, they have opened the jute, but my one field is didn't open the jute. As well as I'll try to visit the field, and I see this field also didn't open the jute. So this is my today video topic. Inshallah, tomorrow I will try to one particular topic discuss and share with you. Pray for me. I'm so into love my parents. That's all about today video topic.